Hi, I'm Kaya. This is Mao. Welcome to Cherry Blossom Mao Festival, Manipur 2021.
So let's celebrate the beautiful moments. Once again, a hearty welcome to everyone in our virtual Cherry Blossom Mao Festival Manipur 2021, jointly organized by the Department of Tourism, Government of Manipur, Indian Council for Cultural Relations, Regional Office Shillong, in collaboration with Organizing Committee, Flower Festival Mao, supported by Embassy of Japan, New Delhi. We shall now begin our inaugural session, felicitating with our dignitaries. May I request respected Sir Devesh Diwal, Secretary to Department of Tourism, Government of Manipur, to kindly felicitate our Honorable Minister, Tourism, Government of Manipur, Sri O. Lukhoi Singh. May I now request respected Sir W. Ibohol Singh, Director, Tourism, Government of Manipur, to felicitate our guest of honor, Mr. Muhammad Uddin, Chairman, Tourism Corporation of Manipur Limited, Government of Manipur. May I now request Mr. Kaiko Mao to felicitate our Minister, Sri O. Lukhoi Singh. May I also request Mr. Kaito to kindly felicitate respected Sir Mr. Muhammad Asabuddin. Thank you. May I now request respected Sir Devesh Diwal, Secretary Department of Tourism, Government of Manipur, to give the welcome address.
Dear viewers, it gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to Cherry Blossom Mao Festival 2021. It is for the second year in a row that we are organizing this event in a virtual mode. But as things come back to normal and international travel is going to open up very shortly in India also, it is my privilege on behalf of the state government to invite you all to visit India and the state of Manipur in particular. The state lies in the northeastern part of India, which is still a largely unexplored area. The state is blessed with pristine nature and a wide array of culture. In the program that follows today, we hope to present a glimpse of the cultural wealth that the state enjoys. We are also delighted to partner with the Indian Council of Cultural Relations and the Embassy of Japan in India. The cherry blossom in Japan is all well known to us, but besides that, Japan and Manipur have a long historical connect dating back to the World War II. There will be performance from the Japanese artist, as also an interaction between the artists from Manipur and Japan, and followed lastly by an interaction between the students from Tokyo University and the University of Manipur. I hope you will all enjoy this program, and once again, I welcome you all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. We shall now request our special guest, Sri Moses Solai, Secretary NEC, to deliver his speech.
Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur, Biren Singh Sir, Guest of Honor, His Excellency the Ambassador of Japan to India, Mr. Satoshi Suzuki, Guest of Honor, Honorable Minister of Tourism, Sri O. Lukhoi Singh, Special Guest of today, Sri L. Dikho, Honorable Minister PhD Manipur, and all the esteemed participants to this event. Matapani Ilowe, Mayambum Kurumjari, Namaskar and Konnichiwa. I'm very happy to be a part of today's event in this virtual Cherry Blossom Mao Festival Manipur 2021, organized by Department of Tourism, Government of Manipur, and ICCR Regional Office Shillong, along with Organizing Committee Flower Festival Mao, supported indeed by Embassy of Japan, Delhi. The world God has created has so many beautiful and wonderful things. We have many beautiful commonalities as well. And now cherry blossom in Japan and in Mao, Manipur state of India is one of them. It's wonderful that how the sister towns Iwazumi and Mao Gate has come together in this event to celebrate and enjoy and take delight in this beautiful festival that we are organizing today. Japan and Manipur in particular has some historical legacies which we share with a lot of sentiments, nostalgic and with respect. On a theme so loved by both Japanese and Indians, the cherry blossom has again brought us together, now made possible by the connectivity and technology that is now bringing people together from different parts of the world and from nook and corners of the world. This is an amazing thing. We in India and in Manipur we continue to admire and are inspired by many things of Japan and Japanese. You may not know much about us, but as you will learn more of us, and if you come to meet us physically, I'm sure that you will also learn how to admire and even love us. Today it's virtual, tomorrow let it be physical. On this auspicious occasion, I would like to invite our Japanese friends to visit us physically and enjoy the beautiful land of Mao, Manipur and India. I would like to also say from NEC side that tourism is picking up very well in northeastern region of India, and I'm sure that in the next step of our tourism journey, the Japanese people will also be big participants in that journey. I wish all the best to the virtual Cherry Blossom Mao Festival Manipur 2021. And once again, thank you and Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. May I now request a guest of honor, Sri Dinesh Patnaik, Director General ICCR, New Delhi, to deliver his speech.
Namaskar. I'm delighted that this time the Cherry Blossom Festival is being held again in Manipur, in the town of Mao. It's a beautiful town and the cherry blossom really looks amazing. Last year I had the opportunity of seeing some of the pictures from the festival, and it's a delightful festival with a lot of activities, a lot of cultural activities which enthrall the audience. I'm very, very glad that it is being done again this year, of course in a virtual format. This is a great occasion to showcase the wonderful natural and cultural variety and scope that the Northeast has. It is not only good for cultural relationship, but it's also great for tourism, and it is also part of Government of India's Active Policy. Active Policy has a lot of components to it, but culture and tourism is a very important part of this policy. But more important than this, I'm happy that the Government of Japan, the Embassy of Japan here, is collaborating with the Government of Manipur and the ICCR office in Shillong to hold this festival. I remember when I used to go to visit our embassy in Tokyo, that it is in front of the Sakura street where all the cherry blossoms come out in the month of March, April, and it's a beautiful sight. And Sakura, which is cherry blossom in Japan. So the Sakura cherry blossom collaboration is a wonderful initiative. I'm glad the Government of Japan is working with the Government of Manipur and ICCR in this festival. This is a great opportunity to showcase all our rich heritage, and I wish all the festival all the best that you can have. This is an occasion I would have loved to come, but in virtually I can at least imagine and see the wonderful cherry blossom that is there. And I wish all of you the very best and a wonderful seeing the festival. We are also having, I think, Manipuri dance, ICCR is doing contemporary dance, a Japanese dance group, all of them together. So I'm sure the audience will love this program and enjoy it. So here's wishing you all the best for the festival. Namaskar.
Thank you, sir. May I now request a guest of honor, Mr. Muhammad Uddin, Chairman Tourism Corporation of Manipur Limited, Government of Manipur, to give his speech.
Good morning to all. Honorable Ambassador of Japan to India, Mr. Santosh Suzuki, Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur, Sri N. Biren Singh Ji, Honorable Minister of Tourism, Sri Olu Singh, Guest of Honor, Sri Dinesh K. Patnaik, Director General, India Council for Cultural Relations, and Sri Moses Chalai, Secretary NEC, Sri Divesh Dabal, Link Commissioner, Tourism, Government of Manipur. It is a matter of great pride to me to be here today at the virtual Cherry Blossom Mao Festival Manipur 2021. We are celebrating the Cherry Blossom Mao Festival Manipur 2021 in an online mode for the second time, keeping in view the importance of Mao as the only place in Manipur where cherry blossoms. I extend my best wishes to the organizers of this festival, and in the coming years, I believe this will be an incredible event to look forward to for many travelers from India and abroad. Mao plays a significant role in connecting the state with other neighboring states, so it is only apt that we celebrate this festival in order to promote Mao as a famous tourist destination of the state. The region around the Mao has the potential to be developed into a must-visit tourist destination of Manipur, proper in order to boost the economy of our state. There is a lot to be done in the region in the field of tourism, and we are huge rivers of natural beauty. So let's exploit this potential in sustainable ways and prepare for a better future. The festival was first organized at a local level at Kainu village at Mao, Senapati from 26 to 28 November 2017, with the aim of uplifting the livelihood for hundreds of farmers, youths and women folks engaged in floriculture in the Mao region by opening new avenues for them in the tourism sector. It was added as a special attraction of Manipur Shanghai Festival in the year 2018. Since then, the festival has been witnessing increasing footfalls in its subsequent editions in 2018 and 2019. Our collective efforts has helped us in successfully promoting this state as one of the most sought after destination of India. Let's bank on our strengths and uniqueness in terms of product offering to attract travelers into the state. This festival is also one of our effort and aim at promoting the region as a major tourism product of the state. Together, let's highlight the district of Senapati as an important tourist destination of Manipur. Lastly, I acknowledge the efforts of the organizers of this festival. I thank and wish them many more successful years Cherry Blossom Mao Festival in future. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. May I have the honor to request our guest of honor, Sri O. Lukhoi Singh, Honorable Minister, Tourism, Government of Manipur, to deliver his speech.
A very good afternoon to all of you on this auspicious day of celebrating the virtual Cherry Blossom Mao Festival Manipur 2021. Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur, Shri N. Biren Singh Ji, Excellency Ambassador of Japan to India, Mr. Satoshi Suzuki, Honorable MLA MD Asamuddin and Chairman Tourism Corporation of Manipur Limited, Shri Dinesh Patnaik, Director General, Indian Council of Cultural Relations, and Shri Moses Salai, Secretary, Northeast Council, Shri Devesh Deval, Commissioner Tourism. It is indeed a privilege for me to be here in the presence of you all distinguished guests at this celebration. The virtual Cherry Blossom Mao Festival is an opportunity for us to showcase the potential of Mao as a unique tourist destination of Manipur, and also to present our distinct culture and nature and heritage. I am very happy to welcome you all at this celebration. I hope you will enjoy watching this festival and experience the beauty of Mao. Mao is the only place in Manipur where cherry blossom in full at this time of the years. As such, we consider it our priority to promote Mao as one of the must-visit tourist destinations of Manipur. This is the second time that we are conducting this festival in a virtual mode due to the COVID pandemic. However, we will try our best to make this event an enjoyable experience for you. This festival gives us an opportunity to see the best of what Mao has to offer, be it culture and heritage, folk dance, music, or nature and beauty. I again welcome all of you to this virtual celebration. Mao has unparalleled nature and beauty, culture and tradition, and unique costumes. In this coming year, I hope that you will be able to visit this event physically and enjoy the scenic beauty of Mao. We hope the Embassy of Japan will consider the scenic beauty of Mao cherry blossom and extend expertise of cherry plants to make more beautiful and in making a cherry park at Mao. I wish you all have a memorable cherry blossom festival. Thank you very much. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. May I have the honor to request our guest of honor, His Excellency the Ambassador of Japan, Mr. Suzuki Satoshi, to deliver his speech.
Thank you very much. Shri Biren Singh, Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur, Shri Olukoi Singh, Honorable Minister of Tourism, Shri Dinesh Patnaik, Director General, ICCR, Shri Devesh Debal, Secretary, Department of Tourism, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Kurumjai and good morning. First of all, I'd like to express my sincere gratitude to the government of Manipur and ICCR Shillong for organizing the Cherry Blossom Mao Festival Manipur 2021. Today I'm joining you online, but I hope to visit Manipur again next year and walk through the full bloom of cherry blossoms of Mao, Sakura, what we call in Japan. I'm grateful for the true partnership and friendship we have nurtured over the decades. The relationship between Japan and Manipur has become substantially closer. As everyone may recall, during World War II, one of the fiercest battles was fought in Manipur. It took a toll on thousands of precious lives of the Indian National Army, the British Commonwealth Force, and the Japanese Army alike. Numerous innocent citizens were inflicted immeasurable damages and sufferings here. Reflecting upon the past and bearing in mind the feelings of deep remorse, my sympathy and deepest sorrow go to the bereaved families and loved ones. I'd like to reiterate our gratitude for the path we could take together since then, as well as our commitment to the path we will march on together towards our future. I hope that the participants to today's event, especially from Manipur and the northeastern region, would enjoy the beautiful cherry blossoms and the fragrant cultural demonstrations of Manipur, as well as the interactive session with the Japanese participants online. People-to-people exchanges are essential to the enhancement of the ties between our two nations. The government of Japan has invited to Japan promising young leaders from the northeastern region, including Manipur and under the IRIS program. And from the November this year, Indian students have resumed traveling to Japan under the Japanese government scholarship program. Unfortunately, due to newly emerging Omicron variant, the entry to Japan is suspended temporarily. I hope the situation will soon be improved. In terms of human resources exchanges, I see great potential in our technical intern training program. This program enables Indian youth to develop their skills through on-the-job training in Japan across diverse industrial sectors, including manufacturing, caregiving, hospitality, agriculture, construction, and so forth. Also, Japan and India have signed a memorandum of cooperation on specified skilled worker. This will help promote the movement of skilled workers from India to Japan. The MOC covers 14 categories of specified skills, under which skilled workers from India who pass the skills and language tests would be eligible for employment in Japan on a contractual basis. I hope this SSW scheme will start in India shortly, and look forward to welcoming more skilled workers from India, particularly from Manipur, to Japan in the near future. The Northeast region is strategically important for Japan-India relationship, and the Northeast region is located at the critical juncture between India and Southeast Asian countries. In this regard, we are working together for development of Northeast through Japan-India Act East Forum. We identify and implement projects, for example, to enhance connectivity, sustainable forest and ecological management, disaster risk reduction, and human resource development. Especially, the government of Japan has contributed to the economic development of Manipur through ODA projects in the fields of agriculture, healthcare, and education. The year 2022 will mark the 70th anniversary of the establishment of diplomatic ties of the two nations. We have decided to celebrate this auspicious year under the theme of building a future for our centenary, manifesting our hope that our friendship will grow even stronger towards the 100th anniversary and beyond. And the festival that we are celebrating today could be one of the preludes to the bigger celebrations that are coming next year. Honorable Chief Minister and distinguished participants, let me close my remarks by wishing you and the people of Manipur a big success of this Cherry Blossom Mao Festival, and also wishing this year's festival spread love and good luck to all of you. Thank you very much, and Tagachai.
Thank you, sir. May I now have the honor to request our chief guest, Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur, Sri N. Biren Singh, to deliver his chief guest address.
Ambassador of Japan to India, Mr. Satoshi Suzuki, Honorable Tourism Minister Shri O. Lokoi Singh, Shri M.D. Sabuddin, Chairman Tourism Corporation of Manipur Limited, Guest of Honor Shri Dinesh K. Patnaik, Director General Indian Council for Cultural Relations, and Shri Moses Sarai, Secretary NAC. I am pleased to know that virtual Cherry Blossom Mao Festival Manipur 2021 is being held today to celebrate the beautiful cherry blossom in Mao Hills of Manipur. I congratulate the people of Mao and the floor committee for these interviews, and this will be a good opportunity to showcase the rich culture of the Mao tribe peoples of Manipur. This year, it is a special occasion for us as the Japanese Embassy. New Delhi is partnering with us. There are many similarities between Manipur and Japan, and this could be explored through the Cherry Blossom Festival. More cultural exchange between Manipur and Japan is needed. We also need the Japanese expertise. We also need the Japanese expertise and advice in infrastructural development of Manipur. There are many areas in which both sides can support each other. This event is also an effort to promote cultural tourism in Manipur. I'll welcome the Japanese performers who will be performing alongside our Manipuri artists. This will also showcase the rich culture of the Mao Hills and the beautiful Manipuri dance ballet parade. Likewise, I heard a Japanese dance performance by Loizumi High School, and the live interaction between artists of Manipur and Japan is going to be a part of the event, which is very, very encouraging. My best wishes for dialogue on tourism and the webinar Study in Japan, which is a part of the festival. I hope this will help in human resource development and helping our youths in training in the right way and the higher education in Japan. We can look for the similar participation of Manipur in the Sakura Festival in Japan in near future. I congratulate Department of Tourism, Government of Manipur, ICCR, Regional Office Shillong, Organizing Committee Floor Festival, Mao, and the Embassy of Japan for collaboration in celebrating the Cherry Blossom Mao Festival in Manipur 2021.
Oh
So those were some lovely performances. I think we all have enjoyed. I'm grateful to our artists from Manipur, from Mao, from the ballet, the performance from Imphal, and especially thankful to the students who gave this wonderful performance from the high school in Japan. So thank you all. That brings us to the conclusion of the inaugural session. But before I invite our Director Tourism, Shri Ibohal Singh, for the vote of thanks, I would just like to inform our audiences that we still have 3 more events in the live program. We'll have a live interactive session between the artists from Manipur and Japan. Then we have 2 beautiful documentaries on bamboo in Manipur and Japan again. And lastly, we'll have a fashion show called Resplendent Cherry Blossom. The highlight of the show is participation by Miss India International 2021, Miss Zoya Afroz. So I think the viewers will be willing to stay back a little bit more and enjoy the performance coming shortly now. So now I invite our Director Tourism to kindly deliver the vote of thanks.
Honorable Chief Minister, Sri N. Biren Singh Ji, His Excellency Ambassador of Japan to India, Mr. Satoshi Suzuki, Honorable Minister Tourism, Government of Manipur, Sri O. Lukoi Singh Ji, Sri M. D. Asabuddin, Honorable Chairman, Tourism Corporation of Manipur Limited, Sri Dinesh K. Patnaik, Director General, Indian Council for Cultural Relations, Sri Moses Salai, Secretary NEC, Sri Devesh Debal, Link Commissioner Tourism, Government of Manipur, Sri Munish, Regional Director, ICCR Shillong, all our most valued guests, ladies and gentlemen. It's my privilege to propose the vote of thanks on this auspicious occasion of the virtual Cherry Blossom Mau Festival, Manipur 2021. First of all, I express my deep sense of gratitude to Honorable Chief Minister Sri N. Biren Singh, who have spared his valuable time and a busy schedule and deliver a very meaningful address for promotion of the Mau Cherry Blossom and extend a warm cooperation with the Embassy of the Japan. Thank you, sir, for your valuable speech, sir. I also express my deep sense of gratitude to the Honorable Ambassador of Japan to India, Mr. Satoshi Suzuki, for taking time to be with us all at the virtual Cherry Blossom Mau Festival, Manipur 2021, and supported the event, sir. We deeply thanks from our hearts, sir. Thank you, sir. I would like to express my sincere thankfulness to Sri O. Lukoi Singh, Honorable Minister Tourism, Government of Manipur, who have wholeheartedly support today's program and help us to make today's function successful, sir. Thank you, sir. I also express my sincere gratitude to Sri M. D. Asabuddin, Honorable Chairman, Tourism Corporation of Manipur Limited, who have spared his valuable time and witness to this virtual event, sir. Thank you, sir. My deep sense of appreciation and thankfulness goes to our respected Sri Dinesh K. Patnaik, Director General, Indian Council for Cultural Relations, who have given a very wonderful speech, and we are very happy that sir is always helpful in organizing such virtual event since last year. We hope we can organize jointly in the year future, sir. Sir, I also express my deep sense of gratitude to Sir Sri Moses Salai, Secretary NEC, who is very much important and played a key role in the development of the Northeast states in India. Sir, you have shared a very valuable speech, sir. Thank you, sir. My gratitude also extended to our respected sir, Deves Debal, who personally involved and guided to this program and monitor all the arrangement that we have done. Sir, you have really guided us in the right direction, sir. Thank you, sir. Sir, my sincere deep sense of appreciation is given to the Sri Munis, Regional Director, and his entire team, who have spared his valuable time from coming down to Imphal from Shillong, and coordinated all these stakeholders of this event, sir. Sir Munis, we deeply thank you from the corner of the heart because of your support to this virtual event can make it happen. Thank you. Thank you, Munizji. I am also very grateful and thankful to the Manipur University, especially Dr. Connie and the HEART team, for the beautiful ballet dance that predicted about the creation of our earth and mankind with the picturizations of the Lai Nura Taret, that's 7. 7 means about Lai Nura Taret. We have remembered the story that the creation of our earth and mankind by seeing through your ballet. We are very much thankful to Dr. Connie and your team. I am also very much thankful to the entire cultural team of the Japan, schools and universities who have involved in sharing your valuable cultural dances and make us feel happy. Thank you all. I convey my sincere thankful to this technical team, Anova Manipur. The entire team has taken pain and technical support to make our today's virtual events successful. Thanks the entire team of Anova Manipur. My vote of thanks will not be complete without extending special heartfelt thanks to all the stakeholders and each and every one of you for your kind support. I conclude my vote of thanks with the appeal to the Embassy of Japan to work together in the field of the cherry blossom and World War II, that the potential that we have, and the infrastructure development that the Manipur government require from the government of Japan about the technical support, sir. Thank you all.
Khurumjari, everyone. Amai Thopia Ye Elawe Koni Chui Wa Hi everyone. Everyone say hi. We have our friends from Japan. And today, as we celebrate the virtual Cherry Blossom Mao Festival Manipur 2021, we shall have, ladies and gentlemen, interaction between the dancers of our guests from Japan, and we have our old team from Manipur, some from the Mao town of Manipur, and some from the belly part of the Manipur. So we shall begin with a little bit of explanation on the cherry blossom about the Mao town from our Mao artist friends.
Hello, friends in Manipur. In Japan. Our greetings from Manipur. This is the 5th year since we have begun our celebration of the Cherry Blossom Festival in Mao, which we call Fufapa. The land of Mao area in Tenupati district of Manipur is popularly known for cherry blossom, which you might know as sakura in Japan. The land of Mao is also known for its flowers and fruits and vegetables because of its bountiful foliage. Now I give time to our friend to say more on our dances.
Hi. Our dance name is known as Asar Ali Dado. Then the description is the Mao Naga dance is closely connected with vibrant socio-economic, political and cultural practice of the Mao Naga ancestors. It embodies not only the back-breaking and meticulous agricultural activities, but also creativity, skill, imagination, philosophy, and the art of warfare. And then the dance is encapsulated with two significant purposes. One, for amusement after year-long hard work and hardship. And two, to impart the skills and practice of both agricultural and warfare. Besides occasions such as village gathering, feasts of merit, welcoming guests and dignitaries, the dance is traditionally performed in the month of Chichuni Kro, which falls in the month of January. During Chichuni Festival is one of the major Mao Naga festivals. It commemorates the courage and victory of the villagers and celebrates the rich harvest of the year-long hard work. Thank you.
Thank you, my friends from this one, brother. So we have just gotten some of the information regarding the cherry blooming at the Mao town of Manipur, and little bit about the traditional dances, their own culture about the Mao tradition of Manipur. So now may I request our Japanese friend to say a little bit about their own hometown and little about the dances they have presented for this cherry event.
いわゆる、どうぞ、お祭り説明。トムさん、じゃあ、岩泉について、はい、はい。大きい声で。
I would like to introduce Iwaizumi. Iwaizumi is famous for Ryusendo. Ryusendo is one of the best 3 limestone caves. 8 underground lakes have been found, and 3 underground lakes are open to the public now. The underground lake is called Dragon Blue. These lakes are very clear, and 5 kinds of birds live there. Average temperature is 10 to 11 degrees Celsius in cave, so it is recommended to go in summer. Nintendo is a popular sport because Thai and love luck will rubber it said to be improved. Iwazumi has beautiful scenery like mountains, rivers, and sea, so we can eat various food and feel for seasons. There are various plants and animals, so we can see it often. And water and air is very good. It is easy to live in Iwazmi. In mountain, cows are kept and released released in summer. We can enjoy many things every season. That's all.
Sorry, we can't hear you.
We all are artists, so we should be happy. We should show our big smile face. So everyone, smile, please. Smile. It's like so. Smile freely and frankly. All sitting over here, they are the famous artists of Manipur. We have been doing this one dance from our childhood, and now with the help of our professor, our guideline, our guru Kangemam Koni, we have performed the dance, the Manipur ballet Goal 7, which is most important for the Meitei. It indicate about the this one 7 goddess, and also this 7 is very very important for the creation of the art and also for the mankind and everything which we found in the art. So it's a beautiful story depicting about the life of the human creation. So above all, we have seen your beautiful dance along with the girls and boys, and we have shown that seeing those beautiful costume, putting a long cap in the head and a mask in the face. See, she's laughing. So cute, everyone. So we found that your dance is very, extraordinary, seeing from other dance style, and it's very interesting at all. It's almost like one of the popular folk dance also. And seeing your dance, I would just like to know that yes, the specific meaning of your dance, that one lady wearing red and putting max. It is very necessary, this putting max in this dance form, or and we saw that some maid holding a stick or some kind of shirt. So it is very important for this dance, or whether you all can perform this dance without holding shirt or this kind of stick. So could you some briefing to the all artists? Yes.
What she's trying to say is that they are very much excited to know more about the costumes and the marks you were wearing during your performances. Does it have any kind of, important, is it compulsory to wear that marks, or does it carries any meaning? The colors you're wearing, the costume, the colorful costume you're wearing, does it have any kind of, meaning that help it to enhance in your presentation? That's the wonderful marks you were wearing. So we were very curious about it. You can say a little bit about the costume you're wearing. actually the red color is very common, okay. We have our friends from coming from Mao. They also have in their costume most of the color where all the vibrant color, right? Especially the red, bright red, green, yellow, dark black, everything. Black is always dark as well. And that so we find it very common with both of us. So I think that all your costumes, all the prop you were using, the mask, the colors might have some meaning, and related with some kind of inner meaning that relate and support to enhance the meaning of your presentation. Once again, I would love to say that through this virtual event, all our team would love to have in the near future some collaboration work with your artists and our own artists. We can have some actions program or come up with certain kind of project that we can come up with beautiful themes and just work on it, and we come up, we have exchange program. We had the opportunity to visit Japan sometime, let's hope, and then we also welcome our friends from Japan to please visit Manipur, Imphal, India, and we shall have, and with this hope of working together in our near future, I shall wind up our interactive session between the artists of from Japan. Have a very, very bright and a wonderful career, all of you, all the students and the artists out there. And let's share love and peace through this beautiful journey at the Mao. Thank you. Bye.
粘っこいとこもありゃ、節のあたりの硬さもありゃ、竹に合わせて咲いていってるっていうことですね。
竹で長く使える家具を作ることが大きな目標です。
この竹の集成材を作ることによって地元真備町の活性化につながり、そして、それを家具につなげていきます。竹の循環型社会を我々はこれから作ってまいります。
Bamboo, just a simple word with a lot of meaning. Present in the history of the human race since ancient times. Connecting us in silence, always strong, always trustworthy. It's time for the world to know that bamboo can change everything, because we are breaking all the challenges. Every day we are opening new paths for a better future. We are creating shapes and shadows, light and hope. Our teamwork is our power, and your strength is our inspiration. We are growing from the earth to the sky, so even the stars can know your name. All together, holding the magical material to transform our existence in every taste and every color, we will be one. This is your dream, this is our dream, and now these dreams will become legendary, because what we have done together will be remembered forever. Raise your arms to the sky and be part of the challenge. World Bamboo Workshop, Manipur.
Cherry Blossom Wow Festival 2021. The resplendent charm and grace of the cherry blossom will be manifested in this traditional fashion redefined. Over 33 colorful Andean communities make this little paradise on earth called Manipur their fitting abode. The harmonious integration of these unique communities, all in all, becomes a glorious creation of beauty, a masterpiece called Manipur. Unity in diversity, unfolding Manipur. The curtain raiser of resplendent cherry blossom. Bishes Queen, Miss International Queen India 2016. Miss India Worldwide 2017 Singapore, Special Queen Brand Ambassador 2021-22. In beautiful Mao attire, Miss India Worldwide 2017 Singapore, Special Queen Brand Ambassador 2021-22. Pineapple Queen 2019. Ladies and gentlemen, Pineapple Queen 2019, Selina Chen. is Muchampi Lungla. you, Miss Manipur 2019 and Miss Bharat 2019 is none other than A.R. Mate. Miss Manipur 2019, she is also Miss Bharat 2019, A.R. Mate. We present before you a cookie couple, Rebecca Nomaiten and Wampo. Rebecca Nomaiten and Wamtoy in cookie attire. Undana Leverpumpo and Georgette in anal costumes. Attired in anal costume, Undana and Georgette. Elizabeth Kame and Nauba in Kabui costume. Presenting to you Elizabeth Kame and Nauba in Kabui costume. Susna Michael, Pineapple Queen 2018, dressed in making attire. Next, we present to you a very popular model, Pink, in making costume. Presenting yet another renowned model double in making costume. in mating costume. Rina Nauru. Resplendent cherry blossom, choreographed by Dorina Singh. Zoya Afros was crowned the Miss India International 2021 and will now represent India at Miss International 2021. Zoya Afros promotes girl child education and financial independence. She wants women to acquire knowledge and the right to opportunity. Afros has done a lot of movies and passionately enjoys performing arts. Miss India International 2021 and actor, please put your hands together for the showstopper of Resplendent Cherry Blossom, Zoya Afros. Of the exquisitely crafted, resplendent cherry blossom is the fashion stylist, autocrat, social activist, and national director, Mrs. Worldwide India, the renowned personality. Please welcome Kumarjit Laishra.